Southern fried chicken is super popular and it's super tasty, but many people have been asking us how to make this plant-based, and that's what today's video is all about. We're gonna show you how to make southern fried anything. It works with plant-based chicken, it works with tofu, and it works with tempeh. This is a delicious recipe. You're gonna absolutely love it. So let's get on with our vegan chicken. First up, we're gonna make a vegan buttermilk. Into our bowl goes some plant-based milk, apple cider vinegar, but you could also use lemon. And I'm gonna add some sriracha to make it super spicy. Quick stir, that is perfect. It's gonna coat those crispy chicken pieces perfectly. Add our vegan chicken, or tofu, or tempeh, and coat that completely in that lovely vegan buttermilk. What will happen here is the acidity of that vinegar is going to start to break down the outside of that chicken a little bit, but we'll also get the wonderful flavor. Leave that to marinate for 5 minutes to an hour. The longer you leave it, the better. Now to make our crispy coating. Add some plain flour, corn flour, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper to a large mixing bowl and stir to combine. Take your marinated vegan chicken and cover it in the flour and those spices. Now here is a special trick. Are you ready for this? A double dip. Take the floured, battered vegan chicken and put it back into our marinade. Carefully coat it once more and then again dunk it into the flour. And that is gonna make for a super crispy nugget. That's exactly what you want. It should look like this. Keep those to one side and do the rest. Finish them all off, then we'll start cooking. Pan is on. I think the oil is hot enough. I'm gonna test it just by dipping the end of a wooden spoon in. And if you see these little bubbles, that means the oil is hot enough to cook. In with the vegan chicken, lay it down slowly. We've got a couple of centimeters of oil in here, which is just about enough to cover the top. If it doesn't cover the top, you can just baste gently to make sure you're cooking the top as well as the bottom. And we'll fry these in batches so that we don't cool the oil down too much to make sure they're perfectly cooked. That is perfectly golden brown. Once they're done, take them out and pop them on some kitchen paper. Chicken pieces done. I've got to try one. Delicious. Perfect. Now I'm gonna get on with making a salad. And remember to put that hot oil somewhere safe. Time to make a quick dressing. First, vegan mayo, whole grain mustard, some grated garlic, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Mix that all together, really working it to get everything combined. Time to make our salad. Serve up your lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, shallots into serving bowls. Then top with those delicious southern fried vegan chicken pieces before drizzling over with that beautifully creamy dressing. That is a beautiful thing. Our southern vegan fried chicken looks absolutely incredible. It looks proper legit. That skin is perfect. The double dip has given us a gorgeous crispiness. Now let's have a taste. Okay, let me tell you, my friend, that is better than anything you could buy in a takeaway. This southern fried vegan chicken coating is spicy, it's salty, it's peppery, it's crispy, it's crunchy. It really lets you know that it is there in your mouth. You certainly taste this. The chicken on the inside is great, and that dressing rounds off that chicken perfectly. But the best part of this whole show is that gorgeous crispy coating. Definitely give this a try and let us know what you think. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments down below, and do hit subscribe if you haven't already, because we make delicious vegan food like this almost every single day. See you on the next one. Peace.